Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing how to transfer crypto from Bitget to your Phantom wallet. Let's get started. Now, essentially what you first need to do is open the Bitget application. Once you've done that, choose the right wallet. There are various types of wallet, including hardware wallets, desktop wallets, mobile wallets, and online wallets. Choose your wallet, and then before that, obtain the recipient's wallet address. You will be needing this in order to send cryptocurrency to a specific address. Once you've done that, go ahead and double check the transaction details. Make sure you have filled in all the right information and, of course, the right amount that you wish to transfer. Once you've done that, you will have to go ahead and accept the transaction fee. Transaction fees are paid to miners who validate and process transactions on the blockchain. Once you've done so, initiate the transaction, and then simply all you have to do is monitor the transaction and make sure it has arrived to your recipient's address. Remember to stay informed about the latest security practices and be cautious of phishing attempts to protect your digital assets. I hope this video was helpful for those watching. Thank you.